Environmental concerns are ever increasing, with emissions from natural gas and petrochemical processing being a significant contributor to this global problem. Increasing legislation and proactive environmental initiatives are requiring sites to take serious measures to monitor, evaluate, and reduce emissions from key areas within their plants. Flare stacks are a common indicator of harmful emissions. A closer look at a reciprocating compressor reveals that the leaking gas travels up the vent lines and eventually to the flare stack. That's why CPI created the EmissionGuard family of products. The main pressure packing case is designed to prevent compressed gas from the cylinder leaking down the piston rod and into the crankcase of the compressor. While packing rings are designed to reduce the gas pressure and gas leakage from the packing case, they're not always efficient. A typical ring set consists of a radial cut ring and a step tangent ring. While still effective, CPI saw an opportunity to improve this design to better meet the demands of today's stringent emission regulations. Expertly designed to leak less, last longer, and withstand the most rigorous application demands, the new CPI EmissionGuard TR² rings combine the capabilities of both step tangent rings and tangent to rod style rings for improved performance. Its innovative design creates a highly efficient seal and reduces rod loading and friction, which translates to a longer life and better performance. Testing shows the CPI EmissionGuard TR² outperformed standard packing rings, substantially reducing packing case vent leakage. The EmissionGuard TR² can also be used in packing cases where a purge is introduced to create a more secure barrier and achieve further emission reductions. When the compressor is in operation and the purge gas is supplied to the packing case, a positive buffer is created so that the process gas will leave the packing case via the vent and not bypass the final sealing rings. CPI EmissionGuard purge panels give you remote access to monitor the vent pressure and control the flow rate of the purge gas into the packing case. The panel will automatically compensate for any rise in vent line pressure by increasing the purge delivery pressure. A single purge panel can service between 1 and 4 packing cases due to its modular construction. With purged packing and the CPI EmissionGuard panel, processed gas emissions from the packing case assembly will be eliminated. Take emission reduction one step further with the EmissionGuard ES³ static seal. CPI's static seal has been developed to create a seal to hold suction line pressure when the compressor is stopped and remains pressurized. Traditional dynamic seal rings often leak when the compressor isn't in operation. A control panel is then used to activate the seal after the compressor is shut down. Once expanded around the piston rod, no process gas will escape past the seal and out of the vent. When compared to conventional static seal assemblies, the CPI EmissionGuard ES³ static seals feature a compact design requiring half the space. They can simply be installed after removing a sealing ring cup and making minor modifications to the existing case. When the compressor is ready to start again, the ES³ static seal is deactivated, allowing the piston rod to move freely. With the CPI EmissionGuard family of products, you can ensure your compressor is running as efficiently and as safely as possible. Because when a compressor is running properly and without leaks, it's better for the environment and better for your bottom line.